Hello, my YouTube friends. As you can see, I have yesterday I won I fly RC planes in my hometown field, and I was stuck without battery. Okay, and I forgot my charger at home, so I have idea to just case to take some of these chips, three 2S 3S chargers for batteries, and do it like that. Look at what I solders. Okay, look at what I solder. Okay, this is from 12 volts, battery car for this case. And if I don't have a car or something, I can charge it from another battery. Okay, I have here a XT60 connector and even X330. So this is my recommendation. Okay, just have one of this thing in the field. Okay, just for case, that if you need to charge something or something bad happens and you're stuck without battery, as I recommend to you. Okay.